Why does my iPhone go straight to voicemail?
With my phone this morning. My wife called me. It went straight to voicemail.
My iPhone wasn't ringing for incoming calls.
Straight to voicemail. I was like, what? What's going on? So I looked up a bunch of videos.
Why is my iPhone 14 not ringing for incoming calls? How do I stop it from going straight to voicemail?
Didn't even know that it rang. Didn't even ring once. Off to voicemail. So, videos didn't help, the ones that I found.
The Apple forum discussion said there was a silent switch for unknown callers. But guess what? My wife is not an unknown caller. My second line is not an unknown caller.
And I searched calls. After searching calls, took me to the phone app. So if you go to settings, you can just go to the phone app. Then you go to calls. Then you go to like notifications. And mine was set to never. Why? I never set it to never. I didn't do it. It wasn't me. Who did it? I'm gonna guess it was either Apple or T-Mobile. One of you mother Frenchers wanted me to have to take my phone in to spend money to get it repaired, and all they were gonna do is go into that setting and change it from never to always, just like I did. Watch the video.
I clicked the settings and then searched in the search bar for calls. I typed calls up here. Then I clicked incoming calls. Then you go to announce calls. You want it to say always, but mine said never. I have no idea how it got sent to never.